In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see and manage your Facebook ads comments effectively and efficiently. To start, you'll want to access the Facebook Ads Manager, your central hub for all things related to ad management on Facebook. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and type Facebook Ads Manager into the Google search bar. This should lead you directly to the primary link for Facebook's Ads Manager, which you should click to proceed. Once you arrive at the Facebook Ads Manager page, you'll notice an option that says Go to Ads Manager. Click on this button to advance to the login screen. At this point, you'll need to enter your email and password associated with your Facebook account. Make sure your credentials are correct to avoid any login hassle. Once you've confidently entered your details, go ahead and click on the Login button to gain access to your dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself in the campaigns dashboard of Ads Manager. This is where all your running, completed, and scheduled campaigns are organized. To dive deeper into the specifics of your ads, locate the Ads tab within this dashboard and click on it. This will display a list of all your active and past advertisements. From the list of ads that appear, you'll need to select the specific ad you want to review and manage comments for. After selecting your desired ad, you'll find an option that says Preview Creative. Clicking on this will allow you to see exactly how your ad looks to the public. This can be invaluable for ensuring that everything is displayed as intended, and it's precisely where you'll begin managing your ad comments. To proceed, look for a small share icon which is typically located near the preview. Clicking on this will prompt a drop-down menu. In this menu you'll have several selections, including one that lets you preview your ad as it appears in a Facebook post or on Instagram, depending on where your ads are running. Selecting one of these options will provide a closer look at how your ad performs on each specific platform. Now it's time to interact with your audience. Click on the option to view your ad as a Facebook post with the accompanying comments. Here you are directly plugged into the conversation happening around your ad content. This interface allows you to manage comments in real time, responding to queries, addressing concerns, or guiding conversation threads in a positive direction. And there you have it, you are now equipped with all the necessary steps to effectively monitor and manage the comments on your Facebook ads. Managing comments is a crucial part of maintaining a positive brand image and ensuring that your audience feels heard and valued.